Very good morning, dear students. So today in English, we are going to see one beautiful poem. Okay. So unit number 8, we are going to see what's in the mailbox. Okay. So dear students, here in this picture, you can see the mailbox. Okay. So dear students, have you ever seen mailbox? क्या आपने कभी mailbox देखा है? Yes, no? In the market you maybe have seen the mailbox, okay, because generally we have a post office nearby market, so we can post our letter into mailbox and postman take the letter and deliver it to our house. Okay, so here we are going to talk about this poem. So let's start. So dear students, please open your textbook. On page number 77, we are going to see this beautiful poem. Okay. So what's in the mailbox? Here one question is arise in this girl's mind, in the girl's minds. So she asked the questions that what's in the mailbox. Okay. So most always when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother and my dad, but never one for me. Okay. So here most of the times the postman visit to this girl house, okay, and he often brings 2 3 letters to her mother and father and regularly, but he never give any letter to her. Okay, so this girl, so this makes a very sad to this girl. Okay, so here the postman visit to this girl's house and he gave letter to her mother and her father, but he never gave to this beautiful girl. Okay, so in the next stanza, I am going to write some letter through. That's what I am going to do, and then my friends will answer me, and I'll get letters too. Okay, so here ये एक बच्ची है, वो अपने इमोशंस बता रही है. ओके, वो क्या बोल रही है कि एक पोस्टमैन आता है, मेरे घर पे विजिट करता है, मम्मी पापा को लेटर देता है, पर मुझे कभी भी दिया नहीं है. ओके, सो उसको भी इतनी ही इज होपिंग, ओके, उसकी इतनी इच्छा है कि मुझे भी कोई एक लेटर दे. ओके, सो हियर इन द सेकंड स्टांजा, now, this girl has made her mind to write some letter for her friends. Okay? उसने क्या सोचा कि मैं एक लेटर लिखूं, किसके लिए? मेरे फ्रेंड्स के लिए. ओके, एंड शी होप्स दैट, ओके, दैट व्हाट शी होप्स दैट, she hopes that she will receive the letter. Okay, she will receive the letter from them near future, and she intend to express her emotion. Okay, then to and by this communicating through the letter and expect the same sweet reply from her friends. Okay, so in the second stanza, what she has decided, she has decided that she will write one letter for her friends. Okay, she will write something what her friends like, okay, and what she wants to tell through this letter. Okay, so at the same way maybe she will get the letter, so she is hoping that, okay, what she hopes that if I'll write later to for my friends, then I will get the same reply. Okay, a sweet reply from my friends. Okay, so here in this poem, dear students, the poem tells about that ये क्या है, एक छोटी बच्ची है. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको छोटी बच्ची दिखाई देगी. ओके, सो दिस गर्ल, ओके, सो छोटी बच्ची ऐसा सोच रही है कि मेरे मम्मी पापा सबको एक लेटर मिलता है, ओके, फ्रॉम द पोस्टमैन, बट आई नेवर गेट. सो वो क्या सोच रही है कि मैं भी एक लेटर लिखूं और मेरा भी एक रिप्लाई आएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द ब्यूटीफुल पोएम. नाउ लेट्स सी द एक्सरसाइज. Okay, so here, who does the postman bring letters for? Okay, so the चाइल्ड्स मॉम एंड डैड. ओके, किसके लिए पोस्टमैन लेटर ला रहा था? सो द पोस्टमैन ब्रिंग्स लेटर फॉर हर मॉम एंड डैड. ओके, सो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, डज द चाइल्ड एवर गेट अ लेटर? कभी बच्ची को लेटर मिला था? Then you have to give the answer. The child never gets a letter. Okay, so third question, what does the child decided to do? Okay, वो जो छोटी बच्ची थी उसने क्या सोचा? Okay, so the child decided to write letter to her friends. Okay, उसके फ्रेंड के लिए लिखने का उसने सोच लिया. Okay, now हैव यू रिटन लेटर्स? क्या आपने भी कभी लेटर लिखा है अपनी फ्रेंड्स को, अपनी मम्मी पापा को, अपने दादा को, नानी को, किसी को? इफ यू हैव रिटन देन यू हैव टू राइट यस आई हैव रिटन लेटर्स. हु हैव यू रिटर्न टू? ओके, सो आई हैव रिटन लेटर्स टू माय फ्रेंड्स. How would you like to write today? Why? Okay. So, yes, I would like to write to my grandparents today because day after tomorrow is his birthday. Okay. आपकी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के लिए क्यों आपको लिखना है? क्योंकि उसका बर्थडे है इसीलिए. ओके.